for you. Phil was going to do pulled pork today, so I decided to do some Mexican cornbread with it, and this is another comfort food to me. And we're going to make this in a skillet, and this is not just any skillet. This skillet belonged to Phil's grandmother and was given to him by his mom. And when I think about all the food that has been cooked in this skillet over the last 100 years, it's kind of mind-blowing. It's so special to us. And his mom had a really big family, and they had like 13 children in that family. And when I think about how much food was prepared in this skillet for all of them over the years, and Phil's family too, it's just a special item in our kitchen. So I'm going to make this cornbread in the skillet. And what you're going to do first is I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in it. And I'm going to put this, just let it coat it. And I'm going to put this in a preheated 400-degree oven and let this get hot. And we'll come back for that after we get this mixed. I'm going to put a cup of self-rising cornmeal in here. And we're going to mix all these ingredients together. I've got 2 beaten eggs. And we're going to put, this is what I use, the diced jalapeno peppers by Mount Olive. They're really good, and they're chopped up really fine, and it goes good in here. Now you can put as much as you want, however hot level you like. You can go ahead and do that. I put about 4 teaspoons, but you know, if you like it hot, more hot or less, whatever. So we're going to put that in here. Teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a chopped onion. This is really a good main ingredient in here. Don't spare on the onion. Just go for it. It really makes the difference. It's so good. And a cup of milk. And also a can of cream corn. This is like a little over 8 ounces of cream corn. And get a good quality cream corn. Don't, you know, spare on that either. And a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. And we're going to mix all of this together. That onion that I used in here was a Vidalia onion, in case you're wondering. And we'll have all the measurements, ingredients at the bottom. Okay, I'm waiting for the oil to heat up in the oven, and then I'm going to pour that oil in here. So we'll let that get a little more, a little hotter than it is now. Just a minute. Okay, we're ready to get the oil out of the oven. I've been heating this for about 5 minutes. We're going to pour that oil in the batter. It's hot, so be careful. And we're going to stir that. Get that oil all in the batter here. This hot skillet. And it fills it just perfectly to the top. And now we're going to put this back in the 400-degree oven for 35 minutes and bake it. It'll be golden brown. We'll check back as soon as it's finished. We are ready to take this cornbread out of the oven, and it's just beautiful golden brown. Be careful when you're doing this. It's very hot, but boy is it good. And we're going to let that sit for just a few minutes before we cut it and let it cool down just a little bit. And we'll do a taste test. Be back in a bit. we're gonna do a taste test on this cornbread. It looks so good. I've let it sit and cool just a little bit. Ooh, that looks so good, and it's hot too. But we will take a little bit off of here. It almost tastes like dressing. It's got so much onion in it, and you can taste the jalapeno pepper in it, the cheese. It's just so yummy. I'm gonna give my see how the brown crust is on the bottom? It's so good. Okay, cameraman, give me some of this. It's hot. Here you go. Woo!
Wow.
All right. Pass the test. Y'all give it a try. It's so good, and it goes with so many good things, especially with chili. Oh yeah, we always have this with chili. But we're gonna have it with pulled pork tonight. We're out to get ready to eat in just a little while. I just want to say, go Tigers! They're playing Boston College tonight, so we're gonna be rooting for them tonight. Gamecocks weren't so lucky today, but you know, that's happening sometimes. So till next time, this is Janet and Florence. Bye.